Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, me hungry now, and boy, we just do a fast cooking, no fancy nothing at all. Alright, so we're gonna do some Jamaican cooking around here, really easy and simple. Alright, I have 3 bad boy pieces of chicken breast right here. I'm gonna put some Jamaican seasoning on it, not too much because of chicken breast. I'm gonna cut up my chicken in some strips and we're just gonna cook everything together. And you know, if we cut up bell pepper already, and I'm gonna slice and wash my mushroom. I clean up my chicken and I cut it in some strips and I wash it in some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, wash it in some lime or salt water. So I'm gonna go in with some black pepper, just a little bit of paprika, about a teaspoon, and about a teaspoon of meat seasoning. This one, all-purpose seasoning. This is my blended seasoning with my garlic, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my pimento, and I'm gonna add about, that's it, about a tablespoon. And that's it, guys. You don't want to put too much of stuff in the thing. All right, you just wanna mix this together. That's enough seasoning right there. This is also, you can also call this, guys, stir fry mushroom and chicken breast. You know, I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with. I have a plantain here for sure. Or maybe some pasta, we'll see. I don't know yet. Let's cook up this first because I'm hungry. All right, let that sit for about a minute. We're gonna come on over here, turn on the stove, and I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Not too much, just enough to grease the pot. Add about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and then I'm gonna add my ginger. And you want to burn this a little bit. Not too much. And we're gonna add the chicken breast in. Oh, it smells nice, guys. All right. Boy, oh boy, I'm telling you, this phone is a thing. I thought it was on, but anyhow, I went ahead and I add about a tablespoon of soy sauce in there, and I add about half teaspoon of browning, and this is it. Now it's just frying up. I add some chopped onion as well to give it a little bit more flavor, although most of it was in my blended seasoning, or is in my blended seasoning. So we're just gonna fry up this, and then I'm gonna cut up the rest of vegetable, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, guys, no water added yet. All right, it's about 7 to 10 minutes now, no water added. I turned the stove down at 4 so it can slow cook. All right, now I'm gonna turn it up back a little bit. And I'm gonna add everything in. My mushroom, I didn't show you, I cut up 1 medium-sized carrot. I'm adding that. I'm adding some tomatoes chopped, and I'm going in with my bell peppers of all colors. And now I'm gonna add 2 cubes of Maggi stalks. And we're gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna turn the stove down low and let it slow cook and I'm gonna cover it. So I'm gonna cover it and I'll come back. All right guys, now I show you my plantain. I'm just gonna cut it in two, and first I'm gonna wash it, cut it in two, and I have some water over here. I'm gonna boil it. That's all I need. All right guys, so let's take a look at this now. Whew. Guys, that's why you call it stir fry. You don't need to add no water, because the water from the chicken and from the vegetable, you don't need more than that. Look there guys, no water added. And this is it. Yes. Where's my mushroom? Oh, there they are. All right, so I'm gonna let this cook down for about another 15 minutes. Guys, I have some sweet Thai sauce, some plum sauce, and some ketchup. We're gonna mix it in. All right guys, can you see my plantain there? That's it. All right, let's take a look at this. Ooh, yes, it's all done now guys. Ooh, so good. Look at that. Who wants some? I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, another 2 tablespoons of this sweet Thai chili sauce. If you want it sweet, and I'm gonna add a little bit of my plum sauce. And we're gonna combine everything together. Yes, yes. If you want to do rice, you can put some rice in this or some noodle. But this is good as is. Look at this guys. Woo. Can you see that? All right, now I have some lettuce cut really small with some shredded carrot and some tomato and cucumber. All right, so we're gonna go over here. Woo. All right, can you see the goodness here guys? Woo. Who wants some? All right, let's take out some. Oh, come up, I want a lot. There, that will do. Oh my god, me greedy so till. Woo. All right, let's get some of the vegetable. All right, I'm gonna plate it all over it like that. If I show you plantain, there it is, boil, and I took piece out and I just cut it. That's what I want. All right. That's what I want guys. We're not wasting anything. All right, so that's it guys. This is the final result. Yes, yes, yes. Can you see that guys? My stir-fried chicken breast with mushroom and sweet and sour sauce. With some plantain. That's all I want. You can serve it with rice, dumpling, breadfruit, whatever you want guys. It's up to you. 2 cornmeal dumpling were not good right here, so you know. But that's all I need. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. This is it. Bye guys.